gonna be making a peanut butter face mask. Peanut butter. Now I'm gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. It's giving relaxation. I'm gonna be doing a honey face mask. Drop in the peptides. I'm gonna add a little more while it's blending. Now let's stop it. Dump it in the mold. We're gonna let it sit and then we're gonna try it. Oh, it's really flimsy.
We made a glitter face mask and it looked horrible. So now let's try and make a coffee face mask. Here's our little machine. I'm using a blend of roast and ground coffee. Here we also have the jezva. It is done. Okay, so I am supposed to mix it with water. At least I think so. Look at it spin. Okay, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee as well. Okay, I mixed the coffee and the water. Turn it on. And the peptide. Now we wait. I think it's done. Ooh. It actually filled out the whole mold. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna give it a moment to solidify and I'm gonna go to the beach. And when I get back, we're gonna try the mask. Fingers crossed.
Do a chia seeds and aloe vera face mask. Let's go. I have no idea how to cut this. It literally smells like canned chicken soup. The reveal. Oh, I'm just gonna scrape some out and add it to the blender. Now I'm gonna add our water and start mixing it. Now I'm gonna drop in some chia seeds and add a peptide. Now let's dump this into the mold. Now let's let it cool off and then I'll try it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh! Feels good. Whatever the wheel lands on is the type of face mask I'm gonna do. Sprinkles. 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 Do you like the sprinkles? Let's go. This unicorn horn is a weapon. Now I'm just adding a drop of my blood. Wow. Peptide. Turn it on. Now I'm gonna stop and dump it on in the mold. Now we are gonna let her sit and then we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. It looks like a unicorn threw up. Please do a candy corn face mask for spooky season. We will give you 1,000,000 likes. Do I look festive? Let's go. I feel like this is not right. Oh, she's hot. Oh, I just spilled hot water all over the place. Oh no. So like I guess I'ma just... Now I'm gonna add the water, drop in the peptide. The blender's not turning on, so I'm just gonna do it. Never mind, I fixed it. Okay, let's turn her off and dump it. Oh, that looks juicy. There's a lot going on here. Let's try it. Oh my god. Make a coffee face mask and we will give you 1,000,000 likes. Run it. Okay, so instead of boiling water, I'm gonna be using coffee. So I'm just adding this to the fill line. Now I opened up this K-cup and I'm gonna empty the coffee grounds into the blender. Now I'm gonna add a collagen peptide. Let's turn it on. Somebody is very interested in what's going on here. It's been going for like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna dump it into the mold. It looks awesome, so I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna be back to try it. All right. If you do a peanut butter face mask, we will give you 1,000,000 likes. Let's go. Liquidy. Ew, why does it look like that? Add a peptide. Let's turn it on. Let's dump it in the mold. Let's try it. Oh my god.
You guys know I'm really into skincare and I've been seeing a lot of people making their own homemade face masks. So today we're gonna try and make our own face mask. Also, today we're gonna have some help. The Foreo Imagination DIY Mask Base. All we have to do is come up with the ingredients we wanna put in the face mask, mix the natural ingredients with a teaspoon of Foreo Imagination Mask Base. I'm gonna see what I have in the kitchen and we're gonna mix it right up. I already moved my hair out of the way because, you know, I was about to dip it into something. So first we mix the natural ingredients. I decided to go with homemade honey, some coffee, because then we can actually use our mask as a peeling when we take it off as well. Multitasking, people. And also we are going to use some cinnamon. This already sounds like a really good cake. First I'm going to be going in with the honey. After the coffee I'm adding some cinnamon. Mix it up a little bit. This is the consistency. And now in the end, some coffee and mix it up really, really well. And in the end, a teaspoon of the Foreo Imagination Mask Base. Just a little bit. It is gonna be a lot easier to put it on your face this way. I'm just gonna pop it in my skincare fridge for 20 minutes. Get it nice and cold and then we're gonna put it on our face. However, you don't have to wait. The tryout is posted on Foreo's page right now, so go and...
Can you make a matcha face mask? That I can. It actually worked!